Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech and Art. Hope you guys doing good. Today I'm going to start something new for you guys. So based on the demand, actually I was getting a couple of requests to upload to share my industry experience, which can help you a lot to shape your career in a right direction. So I'm going to create a separate playlist and I will upload much industry related experience to you guys. Okay. So today's session is all about searching a job in a right way actually. Okay, so I have just taken one example today. In a future coming video, I will upload more content on based on that. Okay, so let me start. So basically, whoever pass out from the college just now actually, and whoever already pass out working in an industry and looking for a new jobs. Okay, so searching a jobs also should be in a correct direction. Okay, if you are not searching a job in a correct direction, you will face much issue to finding the calls. Okay, so what I'm trying to say, as we all aware, there are couple of platforms to find the jobs in India. Okay, so one of the growing platform nowadays is a basically a LinkedIn. Okay, so everyone should have a LinkedIn profile. Actually, it's a social media platform where we are meeting the people with the respective domain. So suppose if you don't have LinkedIn profile, so definitely you should create a LinkedIn profile. Okay, firstly, and try to reach more people with your respective domain. Okay, if you are not engaging yourself on a LinkedIn will not help you to find the jobs. Okay, so whenever you need to find the more job content with your respective technology on a LinkedIn, then only LinkedIn will throw the respective vacancies from the companies. Okay, so try to reach more people with your respective domain. Okay, and second thing, you need to search a job the company wise also, because in some production companies, they are not publishing the jobs on a naukri.com, Glassdoor, like that. They are sometimes uploading the job vacancy on a career on a company website itself, or either the LinkedIn. Okay, so through the LinkedIn you can reach to the production companies as well compared to service provider company. And the second thing, always reach to max people whoever with your respective domain. Okay, and nowadays I have seen actually on a LinkedIn, people are sharing the much vacancies details on their LinkedIn profiles. Okay, so you can reach them directly. There is no boundary to anyone. You can reach them. They are sharing basically it's in a from last 2 years I'm seeing LinkedIn is growing so fastly rather than the naukri.com. Okay, so you should create a profile on a LinkedIn and definitely try to reach more people, and you should always engage on a LinkedIn, then only you will get much benefit. If you create a profile and you are not opening at all LinkedIn, it will not help you. So definitely in a day 4 to 5 times you should do some engagement on a LinkedIn. Okay, either you can search a job, you can apply through there. I personally I got a couple of calls from the LinkedIn from the production companies through the LinkedIn only. Okay, I simply searched and I applied and I got the benefit. So what I'm trying to say, as much as you keep engage on a LinkedIn, you will get the benefit. Okay, so this is the correct approach to finding the jobs through the LinkedIn. Actually, if you are getting the benefit from the other person, you just try to convey them, I have seen this vacancy in your company, could you please refer me. You can directly do the message to that person. Suppose let's say the IBM having some openings, so it will show you so how many people already working in IBM through your connection, or maybe others also. So you can directly message them also, could you please refer me, this is the job ID, I have seen this vacancy. So you can do the message directly also, and people I am seeing helping to each others, they are replying also. It's not like they are avoiding actually. So this is the best platform for us actually to reaching to more people, and this network will definitely will help you to finding the jobs in a correct direction. Okay, so today's session is all about this only. In our next session, I will try to cover much content related to this platform. Okay, so we'll meet you guys soon. Hope you got my point, what I'm trying to say. If you don't have LinkedIn profile, whoever just passed out the college, please do create a LinkedIn profile and expand your community. That community will definitely helpful. Okay, thank you guys.